Hi, friends. Oh my gosh, we made it through the school year pretty much. I can't believe it. This is the last week of your junior year, so congratulations on making it and welcome to senior year. I hope you guys have had a good year. I know this is not the way that we wanted to end the year, and I wish we could just be back together. But, good job just accepting it and doing such a great job of keeping up with schoolwork. I know it's not easy, and it's hard to stay motivated. And I know you guys have a lot of other things going on. So, thank you. I really appreciate you, and I really miss you a lot. A lot, a lot. I wish we were just back together, but I'm really appreciative of you guys because you've been a really great class. So, thank you. So, for this week, basically, you need to turn in your constructive speech. So, use the outline that you created. If you were the affirmative team, there was a first affirmative and a second affirmative in your outline. Know that for your speech, you only have to do first affirmative, or you could choose to do second affirmative if you want to. So I know that there was two outline parts in that. You only really had to do one, so I'm sorry that that wasn't clear. Just one outline for first affirmative is what you'd have to do. If you're negative, you're just first negative. So go back into where you submitted your outline. I made some feedback on everybody's outlines and use that to guide you in your speech. Remember that you don't have to have a hook. It's up to you if you have a hook. The video should be around 5 minutes, but I'm not going to really be super strict about time. I just want to make sure that you verbally cite sources at least 5 times. So cite at least 5 different sources during your speech. Try to practice it before you give it. Try not to just read from a script. Do your best to practice and be prepared and, use your eye contact and your facial expressions and the proper tone. And then you're going to need to submit it in Schoology. So there's a video here that shows you specifically how to make sure that you submit it in Schoology so that I can view it. So please watch that video. It has to be submitted by Thursday. The last day of school is Thursday, June 4th. So please submit your video by then. If you need help or if you have any questions, I am always here for you. I can help you with anything that you need. So if you're confused, let me know. I hope you guys have a super, super great summer. There's my puppies. They're so cute. Do some fun things this summer, get outside. Hopefully you're able to see some people and see some family. Be safe, have fun, and make good choices. And I hope that I get to see all of you very soon. Hopefully this fall everything will be kind of back to normal and I'll be able to see all your faces again. So I really miss you. I love you guys. Have a great summer.